Good afternoon, this is Cactus Jim speaking. The topic of this video is car alarm systems cause carjackings. So what you see is the alarm system flashing in my vehicle. I did not install it, it came factory equipped, and just about every vehicle today I guess has this feature. On older vehicles you have the option of buying one. The problem with them is that they cause carjackings. Why, you ask? Before alarm systems, a car thief could easily break into your car and fiddle around somehow with the ignition key. Or not the key, but the ignition. Pull it out, cross some wires. Well, you've seen it done in movies. But now they can't do it, so what they have been doing is just jumping in the car and taking off with the car and the driver and sometimes a baby or children. So it ends up being violent. And people like myself take measures to prevent it. So, for example, in the door here, carry a little 380. Oh no, it's a 9mm. But I do have a 380 in the vehicle, which up here, it's a Taurus TCP. Has a laser attachment, which obviously don't need a close range. In addition to that, I have this, which is a Smith & Wesson Governor, and well, you probably know what it is. Anyway, fires shotgun shells. I have 6 410 shotgun shells in there, and then in addition to that, behind the seat here, I have a Taurus 44 Magnum to defeat any intruders into the car. Also, if all of that fails, I happen to have an 18-inch machete, which is very sharp, and I could easily hack off somebody's arm or even their leg if they're not a real big person. And another a backup, I have a kind of a buck knife or a Bowie knife stuck down here between the seat and the console. So you can see that car alarms lead to violence. If someone tries to jack my car, if they don't let me leave the car, then I'm just going to kill them, and or maybe they'll kill me. But somebody's going to get killed, and it's unnecessary because I don't care really that much if somebody steals my car in a parking lot. I come out, the car is gone. I call my insurance company. They replace the car with a comparable car or the money equivalent. So that's my point. While I'm doing this, I just want to show you. It's kind of like a map holder up here. Now I could put my little Taurus up there too to hide it. Really good hiding place if you happen to have one of these. And another place, you could hide a lightweight gun underneath the visor, but you're going to have to make an adjustment on the visor to tighten it a little bit to hold the weight of the gun. And you might want to secure it with like double stick tape or something, so if you accelerate rapidly, you don't want the gun flying down into your face. That's about all I have to say. So my suggestion is, you have a car, you have car insurance. What do you have car insurance for? What are you paying the fucking insurance company for, if not to replace the car? the value of the car. If it's stolen, so what do you care? You just get another car. So my suggestion is disable your alarm system. Don't buy an alarm system, and don't put so much value on property that it could end up costing you your life, or the life of a stranger, even though the stranger is a thief. Well, so is the president and every member of Congress a fucking thief. So big fucking deal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel or another channel. There are better ones than mine. Have fun. Be safe with your firearms. Keep them away from your kiddies. Goodbye and good luck.